In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play King Legacy on PlayStation 4. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to find and access King Legacy if you are playing Roblox on a PlayStation 4. Now, something that I want to make very clear is that I am recording this video on PC, but don't worry, the process of finding and joining the experience is going to be exactly the same for a PlayStation 4. I'm only recording on my PC for convenience and quality. So all that you have to do is open Roblox and look for King Legacy. Like I mentioned, you will also be able to use the search function on a PlayStation 4. And as you can see, this is the official experience. To my knowledge, there aren't many clones, so it's always going to be the first one recommended to you. You can confirm that it is the official one because it is made by Venture Lagoons and it has more than 3 billion visits. So all that you have to do once you find it is go ahead and join. Now, something that I want to make very clear is that while you will be able to play using a controller because you are on a PlayStation 4, keep in mind that some actions might be limited. And while the game might be playable, you might not be able to use certain functions like chat, for example, so you won't be able to talk to others inside of the game, and you might have trouble navigating through the menus. But regardless, everything else should work from the get-go. So as you can see, I can walk with the left joystick, move my camera with the right joystick, I'll be able to sprint by pressing down on the left joystick, and I'll be able to do all sorts of actions. Jump with A, I can use my abilities and select my skills over here, so all of the buttons are adjusted, and you will be able to play King Legacy on any console, PlayStation 4, PlayStation 5, or even Xbox consoles if you have one and you would like to use that one instead. You will be able to navigate through the menus by selecting the options button and then choosing whatever it is that you want to see. So it is simple to do, and you will be able to play it on any console that you have. Just look for the experience and you will be able to join. I hope I was able to help you on how to play King Legacy on PlayStation 4. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.